we now present to you our second project in the Mega 3 series, BLOQ San Nicolas. Built for exclusivity, this property will feature 10 stories with a mix of 76 studio units and 95 loft-type units. With amenities such as roof deck, a function hall, and 34 slots of parking, one can't go wrong in choosing BLOQ San Nicolas. Situated close to several large Cebu universities and malls, it is an ideal location for those pursuing higher education and still live in the heart of the city. With a total of 171 units, BLOQ San Nicolas offers ample inventory for the discerning buyer. We have 76 units of the 18 square meter studio, the perfect spot for those who are ready for independence. We have 95 loft units at BLOQ San Nicolas in our signature modern design. The following slides show the typical floor layout of our floors with studios and floors with lofts. At BLOQ, we take pride in making sure that buyers get the best value out of their purchase. With the following price points, we believe that not only is BLOQ desirable for its brand, but also for how affordable it is for first-time real estate buyers.
Subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified when we release a new video.